Hi, my name is Nidhi Sachdeva. I'm an educator and educational technology researcher and evidence-informed learning designer. I recently completed my doctoral degree at OEZ. I'm honored to be one of the keynote speakers. In the spirit of control shift and removing the extraneous, I will be talking about reducing cognitive overload for our students. And in doing that, I will share some of the key foundational theories of instruction and how we bring those theories into practice as we navigate through a million educational technology tools available to us. In the context of designing instruction, it's very important for me to understand how learning actually happens for my students. So I would say control shift, going back to the foundation. I feel it's not a nicety anymore, but a necessity. So that's been a really big shift for me. But also, I've started paying a lot more attention to the evidence from the science of learning, especially as we use a variety of educational technology tools in our teaching practice. So I'm a Mac user, so my control shift technically has a command in it, and my favorite keyboard shortcut would be Control F. Makes me feel like an investigator and a journalist.